Hi guys, so I just want to give a recap of all the trades that happened today. I just closed gold here. I wanted to hold it, but then I don't like how it's retracing like this. Although it might still continue from here, sure. My plan was to hold a part of it till the end of the week, but let me just close there and try to be satisfied. So these are all trades that I posted on my channel. So you can see I was expecting a reversal. Okay, I was expecting a reversal. Then I did not get the confirmation for the reversal move, meaning that gold was just sitting here. It wasn't trying to move up or move down. Okay, so you can see me trying to sell here initially. It didn't work out. I sold again, it didn't work out. Then I tried buying here. I posted about this buy I took. I said it's not a high probability buy because it has not yet taken out the high over here, this high. Okay, so that eventually didn't work out. Okay, that didn't work out at all. And then finally, when I discovered that the dollar index was not moving down like I expected it to be, I just decided that okay, probably I am forcing whatever I feel like is going to happen. I'm forcing it on the market, which is incorrect. So I decided to sell and follow my initial plan for the week. So I sold it here, stop loss here, and you can see it. I think 217 pips here. Let me go down to the lower time frame so you can see clearly. So I sold here, then I added a position down here. I closed it here. I took partial here, and now I just closed the last of the gold. And this is the history for today. This is the history for today, and this is for gold. Here you can see these are this is the trade I just closed completely now. This was the buy trade I attempted today. It didn't work out, and this is the addition. This is the added position I added there, and it hit take profit. And then on that trade I took a trade on USD Swiss franc. I initially tried to sell it. It didn't work out. This is the thing about trading that makes trading difficult. I was seeing what I wanted, but it was not what the market was doing. So I was trying to sell USD Swiss franc, expecting reversal, but it didn't work. So I just closed it and I decided to buy. Let's see the positions on the chart so you can see the history here. So because I was trying, this is where I was trying to sell. I sold it here. I closed it here. My stop loss was up here, but I closed it when I said this is not working out. If it's a good trade, it should have gone lower by now. So it didn't break the low as I wanted. It did not at all. It went there, but it just came off of it and started rallying. So I just closed it there, and then I reversed my position. Although I was already late, so I could not enter on this 1 hour chart again. I had to go down to 5 minute chart to enter. Okay, so I had to go down to 5 minute chart to enter. So I entered here. This rallied. I added positions, then added more positions. But then my stop loss was very tight here, so it took me out. It took me out of all my positions. That's why you can see red, 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 red. All these trades, they were stopped out. Okay. Then I added two more positions when I said okay, I've been stopped out prematurely. I added two more positions and I closed everything here. So those two hit take profit. You can see the take profit here for those two. So that was just it. I had to quickly take my profit here on USD Swiss franc because I entered on the 5 minutes and I don't want to entertain any reversal on that 5 minute chart on a 1 hour chart move. You understand? So that was how it went. This is how I did my take profit for USD Swiss franc. Look at it. I used Fibonacci extension from this high, this corrective leg now. I'm using, I wish I was on trading view. I'm using ×2 of it. So when the market goes ×2 of it, you close. Okay, so ×2 of it, 2. Okay, ×2 of it, so you save So you can see that is exactly where I took my profit. That's exactly my take profit at 200 line here. That 200 mark. You can see, and that is where I closed my trades out. That's where I closed my trade out. So that was just it. And then the other trade I took was USD. This one was a wrong trade. It was a wrong trade. I was still expecting that reversal, but the reversal didn't happen. I was lucky enough to close the trade before the market totally reversed. So I bought it. It was in profit for a while, but I quickly closed it at the break even. And the last one is on USDJPY, trying to sell it as well, and it did not work out for me. You can see selling it here. I quickly closed the trade here, and that's how today went. Basically, that's how today went.